Rota and Leave Management. Begin by clicking on the Rota tab and selecting Leave Management. Here, you will see the Leave Management calendar, showing any leave requests. If someone has applied for leave, their name will appear on the days they've requested. Click on a specific leave entry to view employee details, leave type, and status. You can approve or reject the request directly from this screen. In our case, we'll click on Approve to approve the leave request. eHubt Rota feature simplifies scheduling and attendance management. With Rota, you can efficiently plan, manage, and forecast shifts for employees across different branches and departments. This helps ensure that all shifts are covered and employee availability is clear. Select the branch and department you want to work with. Enter the shift name, add any relevant notes, and click on Create Rota or Create Rota and create new shift. The shift is successfully added. To edit a shift or edit notes, click the edit icon, make the changes, and then click Update. Shift can be dragged and dropped to other dates or sections if needed. You can also delete a shift if necessary. Once all shifts are set, click on Publish to finalize and share the schedule. Upon publishing, employees will receive an email with their Rota details. There are several tabs available for managing Rotas. Publish Rota, Finalize, and Publish the weekly Rota. When the Rota is published, employees will receive an email notification. Copy shift, duplicate existing shifts to streamline scheduling. Copy Rota to next week, quickly copy the current Rota for future use. Additional settings, access advanced options and settings for Rota adjustments. And several others for Rota management. The color codes in the Rota show different requests generated by employees, like leave or schedule adjustments, which will reflect here for easy reference. Rota forecasting helps you align staffing with expected sales. By planning shifts based on forecasted sales, you can control labor costs, improve efficiency, and ensure the right coverage for both peak and low demand periods. Rota Forecasting section. Move to the Rota Forecasting section by selecting it from the menu. Click on Global Forecasting to manage Rota forecasts for branches and departments. Choose the branch and department, then select a date for the forecasted week. Enter the monthly sales amount and the Rota spend either as a percentage or a specific amount. In this example, we set the Rota spend to 20%. Once everything is set, click Next to save the forecast. For a new forecast, click on Add Forecasting. Select the branch, department, and choose a date range. We are choosing 1 week. The global forecast will take effect, and you'll see the entire week's projections. Click on Save All to finalize your forecasting settings. You can make several adjustments here. For example, on Saturdays and Sundays, sales are typically higher, so you can add the sales projections for those days.
To add a Rota, start by clicking on the Manager's Hub, then click on iRota. Select the branch, then select the department. You can navigate on a weekly basis using the navigation bars. The check button is for publishing or unpublishing Rotas. There's a button for copying the shift, another for copying the Rotas to the next week. You can also access additional settings, where you can fill out specific details. There's a button for sending the Rota via email, a button for printing the Rotas, and a button for sharing the Rota with a link, where you can create a password for the link. Below, you will see different colors representing various types of days and actions. To add a Rota, click on the sign, select the shift times, and then add the shift name. Start time, end time, and break time. You can also add notes for employees. You will have 3 options: close, create the rota, or create and add a new shift. Once added, the shift will be successfully created. You can also make changes, like deleting or editing the shift. To request a shift swap, first click on the Employee Hub, then select Request Shift Swap. Click on the request for the required day, state your reason, and click Submit. To set your work availability, first click on the Employee Hub, then select Work Availability. Choose the required day and select an option: full day, half day, or not available. Finally, click on Submit.